Hi, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the camera timer on this device. First, we need to open the camera app. To do it, swipe upwards on the home button twice, like this, to open the app menu, and here tap on the camera icon. In the app, let's tap on this icon right here in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon. And here we have option called self timer. Let's tap on it. And we can select off, 2 seconds and 10 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds for example, go back to the camera app, and now when I press the shutter button to take the picture, the countdown will start, and after it's done, the picture will be taken. Like this. And that's how you set up the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.